Hello, I'm Guan, and this is my final project. I'm going to address the handwritten numbers recognition problem, which is also a type of image classification problem. And here is the overview. The dataset I'm going to use is the MNIST dataset, which contains 60,000 training images and 10,000 testing images. Each image has a handwritten number randomly placed on it. Those numbers were taken from American Census Bureau employees and high school students. How does the computer read an image? Each image is normalized to fit into a 28 by 28 pixel bounding box. So the computer regards it as a 28 by 28 matrix. Different pixel value means different colors. Basically, we have 10 classes as well as 10 labels, which from 0 to 9. The kth class is represented by a vector that places value 1 on the kth element. For example, as for class 3, only the third element is 1, others are all 0. The purpose for my project is to let a program know what number it is on the image and show its prediction. Also, I did a test using my own handwritten numbers to test the model. The limitation is it still cannot be 100% accurate, no matter which method you use. Here are some approaches that I use. The package I mainly use is the TensorFlow. I built a neural network, which has one hidden layer and an output. The activation function I use is ReLU, and here's the code to build it. Then I calculate the loss for it using the softmax cross entropy, and the optimizer I use is the gradient descent optimizer. And here's the code. I also calculated accuracy. Here's the code to start training and do the calculation. The batch size here I use is 100, and I print the accuracy every 8,000 iterations. And here are the results for the accuracy. After training the model, I try to test it and visualize the prediction results. I define a show function to get a first N prediction using the testing sets. And here are the results that I show the first 30 predictions and the first 30 images in the testing sets. As you can see, the result is good, but there are still some errors for the prediction in the red circle. Finally, I try to test the model using my handwritten numbers. I construct a getImage function to read the number that I wrote using the drawing tools in my computer and reshape into a 28 by 28 pixels. After that is a getPrediction function. Basically, the module I use for this part is CV2. I use the CV2.ImShow to show the image that I wrote, and the CV2.PutText to write the prediction results on the image. And here are some results that I got. There are still many wrong predictions, despite I got some right one. And the accuracy rate here is not that satisfying. Here are some lessons I learned. In this project, I learned how to build a simple neural network for a classification problem. I used the MNIST dataset to train and test the data, and I learned how to visualize the image from testing sets. Also, I know how to let the program read an image from me. As for future tasks, if I continue to do this project, I still need to increase the accuracy rate since the test from my image is not that satisfying. Also, I will try to train this data set using like convolutional neural network and see if the accuracy rate is higher or not. And I will try to use the MNIST double digits dataset, which has double numbers on an image, to solve the double numbers problem.